Okay, so now we are going to do a PA on USD for 23rd December. So overall the structure is this the guy who this is the guy who made the lower low, the last lower low for the 4 hour time frame. And this the 4 hour time frame structure. Then it's inside a range, so it made a V formation. Now is the test phase. So it tests multiple times already. Then after the ECB and FOMC, it did make a new low, but then it so the low time frame is sellers try, come back, he try again, choppy, he track. So now it's a buyer's territory for the 1 hour, and inside this ranging area. So anything so I decided to buy any opportunity. So as you can see, first of all, this is leg 1, leg 2, unable make high. Show come down V formation. So I tried to buy this actually. I tried to buy this, come over here, sold. Then when it broke down, I don't understand why did I buy over here. Cause when this is a V formation, when it broke down means it's a strong leg. Strong leg down. And so because of this slow range over here. That's very bad. Then when this area, right, cause it's 9:30, I thought it will go up. Then but it broke another level down. And I bought at this area. It's always the same mistake. Typically if you buy what you want to buy is like you find a range at after 10. Like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you actually can buy, put a stop loss here, or buy here. Because overall, it's still a buy structure. Buy is the way to go. Since the sellers tried very hard, like 1 time, 2 time, to sell over here, and they failed. So but really it'll be a buy. I believe a buy. So now it's a V formation again. So I need to take note is that 9:30. Sometimes it's like myself just wait for 10:30. Then after 10, then we buy the back into trend. From what I can see, is like always the 9:30 doesn't really like that much entice for me to buy or sell. Okay, so if it's a 10:30 overall uptrend, strong trap sellers over here, come here, slow down, buy, stop loss over here, go up. Okay, technically we now is this is the last guy who started it. Lopsided reformation. Come back, test this area. So now it might be a range. So there's now a battle between this guy and this guy. So let's just wait and see how it resolves. Like I bought here already, anticipation trade. Then it came back up. If I want to sold, I would have sold at this level or this level already. Then after that, if it's a slow and slow and slow, then you break up. Then actually we can consider this level first, or maybe higher. See what's the price action tomorrow. So now we just want to see like what happened tomorrow. We don't learn about trade management first. Like we learn about structures and story. That's the main lesson right now. Structures and stories.